Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize your client payments and invoices using Airtable, the 2025 way. Our first step is to create a base in Airtable specifically for client payments and invoices. Click on the plus sign and select Create a Base. This is a crucial step as it allows us to have a designated place for all our financial dealings with clients. Now that we've done that, let's create tables for invoices and payments. Click on Add a Table and name it accordingly. Having separate tables for invoices and payments will give us a clear overview of all transactions and make tracking easier. Next up, we're going to add fields to these tables. For invoices, add fields like invoice number, client name, invoice date, due date, and amount. For payments, include fields like payment ID, client name, invoice number, payment date, and amount paid. This helps us because each field captures a specific piece of information, making our records comprehensive and easy to understand. Now, we need to link our payments table to our invoices table using the link to another record field type, which you can find in the field options. The reason we do this is to create a relationship between payments and their corresponding invoices. This way, we can easily see which invoices have been paid and which are outstanding. Finally, let's create views for our tables. Click on Grid View at the top left, name your view, and choose the conditions for this view. For example, you might want a view that shows all unpaid invoices. This is important as it helps us highlight certain records and make them easily accessible. And there you have it. You've now successfully organized your client payments and invoices in Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your tables updated for real-time tracking and easier financial management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.